Hey everyone. So in the flow I created to create a task on the property object if the status of occupied equaled vacant, ready to move in. I did encounter some errors, particularly when it came to creating my new task action. Where I had some difficulty was with the record ID. I did, as you can see, created a variable to store that record ID, but as it turns out, I ended up not needing it as it was creating an error in my task being created. I was able to overcome that though, again, by just using the record ID of the direct property that came in. Another thing that I realized on this flow is that when I record triggered the flow, I was already bringing in and storing the properties where it equaled occupied equaled vacant ready to move in. So originally I was creating a get records element, which was also creating an error as I already had my get records element in the record triggered run immediately section of the flow. And so by removing that and by using just the record ID instead of a variable for record ID, I was able to get my flow up and running smoothly. As you can see, when I go ahead and debug, see if it will work for 76 main torrents. It does work. So here you can see by using the record ID, I'm able to pull that record ID in, and the property was located from the start condition requirements that were met. Everything also runs smoothly for the subflow for the create analytic record. Thank you for watching.